My name is Ruby Dyer. I'm Vice President of Lesmahagow Bowling Club. I am responsible for the application of all the various grants that we've had to improve our facilities so that it can be enjoyed by every member of the community and anyone else who would like to join us, because we're trying to expand our membership and to encourage people to come. And what we've been finding since the club has been renovated to a very high standard, we're getting more and more and more people using our facilities. Lesmahagow Bowling Club were very fortunate to get a grant of £15,000 from the bank's Farm Wind Fund to renovate their old dilapidated locker room. And to date we have spent in total approximately £22,500 bringing this locker room to the standard it's at today. And hopefully when we open up in April, that all our members will see this and it will encourage a lot more people in the community to use our facilities.